You are carrying a weight that does not belong to you. In the next few minutes, we are going to perform a radical act of self-sovereignty, returning that generational trauma to the earth, so you can finally decide where your ancestors end and where you begin. Welcome to the Quiet Arcana. Today, we journey to the Iron Cauldron. In the old ways, the cauldron is not merely a kitchen tool. It is the crucible of the soul. It is the womb of the goddess, where raw ingredients, be they herbs, intentions, or painful memories, are cooked down into something nourishing. Many of us carry the lead of our bloodline, scarcity, silence, anger. But you are the alchemist of your line. You have the power to transmute that lead into gold. Before we step into this sacred space, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. Joining our circle ensures you never miss a ritual for your spiritual evolution. Now, let's begin. Sit or lie down and close your eyes. Take a deep, cleansing breath in through your nose, feeling your lungs expand fully, and let it out through your mouth with a soft, audible sigh. As you continue to breathe, imagine roots growing from your heels, traveling deep into the dark, rich soil. Draw up that steady, grounding energy. Feel it rise through your legs, your hips, and your spine, until you are a pillar of strength connected to both the earth below and the sky above. Let the room around you fade, the artificial lights, the lists, the worries. Let them dissolve. Visualize yourself standing at the edge of a forest. It is late autumn. The air is crisp, cool against your cheek, carrying the scent of pine needles, wood smoke, and damp earth. You are wearing a heavy wool cloak, wrapped tight around your shoulders. You feel safe here, hidden. There is a path before you, beaten down by generations of seekers. As you take the first step, hear the crunch of dry leaves beneath your boots. Crunch. With that sound, a wave of relaxation washes down from your crown to your jaw. You walk deeper. The trees here are ancients, oaks with gnarled bark, birches with peeling paper skins. They create a cathedral of living wood above you. The light is dimming to twilight, a time between times. As you walk, the path slopes downward. You are descending into the hollow of the land, into the belly of the world. Listen. Can you hear it? The faint sound of water flowing over stones. You come to a stone staircase cut directly into the living rock of a hillside, moss-covered, worn smooth. These steps lead down into a mist that swirls at the bottom, a magical silver mist. We will take 10 steps down. With each step, you will double your relaxation. 10. Feeling the cool stone under your boot. 9. Descending deeper, the air getting stiller. 8. Leaving the surface world behind. 7. Drifting down. 6. Halfway there. 5. Breathing slow, the body asleep, the mind lucid. 4. The mist swirling around your ankles, cool and refreshing. 3. Down into the depths of the self. 2. Gathering your intention. 1. Stepping off the last stair and into the mist. You now stand in a hidden glen. A circle of granite monoliths rises from the earth like the teeth of the world. In the center, a fire burns, and suspended over it, a massive black iron cauldron. It is pitted like the surface of the moon, heavy with the memory of the earth. Before we approach the fire, check in with your physical body one last time. Are your shoulders raised? Drop them. Is your tongue pressed to the roof of your mouth? Release it. You must be completely fluid to do this work. The iron is hard, so you can be soft. You approach the fire, feeling its warmth on your face, contrasting with the cool air on your back. From the shadows between the standing stones, figures begin to emerge. They do not walk, they glide. These are your people, your blood, your kin. You feel their love, but also their sorrows, the griefs they carried in life and passed on unwittingly to you. One figure steps forward. This is the ancestor who holds the burden you are ready to release today. Look at them. Do they seem weary, stern, or hopeful? They hold out a hand. In it is an object, a symbol. This object represents the pattern that stops with you. Perhaps it is a heavy stone representing poverty, a rusted key representing silence, a knot representing anxiety. Reach out and take it. Feel the cold weight of it in your hand. The ancestor speaks to your mind. I did the best I could, but I was limited. You are the evolution. You are the hope. Turn to the cauldron. The liquid inside shimmers, dark and viscous, like the night sky turned to water. Hold the object over the brew. Feel the heat rising. You are the alchemist. Take a deep breath in, and on the exhale, drop it. Splash. The liquid accepts it. It begins to boil, churning, changing. It shifts from black to red to white, and finally to a brilliant, blinding gold. The lead of trauma is transmuted into the gold of wisdom. A shimmering steam rises from the cauldron. This is the energy returned to you, purified. Breathe it in. Let this golden light fill your lungs, entering your bloodstream, rewriting the code in your cells. You are not a sponge for the past. You are the light that illuminates the future. Look at the ancestor. They are smiling. The weight is gone from them too. When you heal yourself, you heal the line. The figures recede, dissolving back into the stones. You are alone by the fire, but you are not lonely. You are whole. It is time to return. Turn toward the stone staircase. We will ascend, bringing this new golden vitality with us. 1. Stepping up, feeling the energy moving in your legs. 2. Climbing, the air getting warmer. 3. The sounds of the forest returning, the wind in the leaves. 4. Bringing sensation back to your physical body. 5. Halfway up. 6. Wiggle your fingers and toes. 7. Feeling the weight of your body on the chair or bed. 8. Feeling refreshed, clear, and lighter than before. 9. Your mind is sharp, your spirit is sovereign. 10. Stepping out of the earth, back into the world. Open your eyes. The shields you have built today and the burdens you have released do not disappear when you leave this trance. You have done the work. If you felt that shift, leave a sparkle emoji in the comments below to seal your intention. Now that you have cleared your vessel, you must protect it. Your energy is clean, which means it is valuable. Click this video here to learn the mirror shield technique so you can keep this newfound peace untouched. Blessed be.